Hey Glam Crew, it is your girl, Nikki the Glam Teacher. I just finished up another treatment with my at-home cavitation body sculpting machine. So I want to go ahead and share my results with you all because I see them. Do you all see them? I'm going to put a before and after somewhere in here. Now, I wanted to focus mainly on my back area. So this is right now after. I'll post somewhere in here my before. So you all can see that these results are real and 100% honest. I also want to take my measurements. Now, when I first did this, I forgot to record my measurements, but I was a little over 36 inches, y'all. So let's go ahead and see what the measuring tape says now. It's right here. Oh, it says 34 inches. So before, when I did this, I was a little over 36. I was like right here between 36 and 37. So now I'm at 34 inches. I've lost a good, just say 2 inches off of my waist by using this machine right here. I'll put all the details right here about this machine, where you can order it, how you can buy it, the website. Also, check the description box. The description box will have everything you need. I have a discount code. Also, they always have a sale. So check the description box for more details. Tell them Nikki the Glam, Nikki the Glam, Nikki the Glam Teacher sent y'all. So I'm going to finish up my session. I was right in the middle of it, just to show you all how to operate this machine. Is really simple. They have directions online and everything comes in the box that they send you. Shipping was super quick. I think it got here in 2 days. Yeah, I think it got here in 2 days. So shipping was really quick. But stay tuned for the full video. Watch the full video. I will be sharing tips and tricks on how you can do your in-home spa sessions without spending thousands, and I mean thousands of dollars. See how quiet the machine is, y'all? And I got it set on medium low. See how it's vacuuming my skin? All that unnecessary fat. So you want to do small circles. You can do big circles if you like. There's no pain, no downtime, none of that. Now, just to be clear, I did have a tummy tuck, okay? Look on my YouTube channel. I share my whole plastic surgery journey, okay? So if you are interested in plastic surgery, go ahead and check out my channel and my videos. I don't know if you all can hear me. I can hear myself. This machine is pretty quiet. When I used to go in the spa, it used to be a little loud, but in the spa, I just always felt uncomfortable getting naked and doing these, and it was always so cold in there. So doing this at home is really convenient and easy. You can go across if you want, like this. There's different ways to do this to get the good results that you want. Very, very simple, easy to use, easy to put together. Continue to watch and I will show you how I easily, quickly put this machine together by myself. But as many of you know, I did have plastic surgery. But this is a great machine for the girlies who have plastic surgery, because usually when you have a tummy tuck, you can't get lipo on your upper abdomen. So if you have a lot of fat up there, like up here, it'll just be a big bulge. I used to have a big bulge. If you use this machine, this will help get rid of those extra unwanted fat pockets that you didn't get during your tummy tuck, because they can't really do liposuction in this area where they are cutting you. You will be more prone to having surgery complications if they were to do that. So this is a good alternative for after surgery to do at home to help keep your results and maintain your results and even improve on your results. This will get rid of those extra fat pockets, and it's best to use this 6 months after surgery, 3 to 6 months after surgery. Don't use it right away on your body. And check out their website. They have a FAQ where it'll tell you all the details about when to avoid using this machine, how to use it, and get the best results. Okay? And if you didn't have plastic surgery, this is still a good tool to use. It's still a good tool to use if you don't want to sit down. There's no downtime after this. You can use this right at home and get back to your normal lifestyle 30 minutes after using this machine. It's good with your face. If you have a double chin and you want to tighten up your skin, you can use this machine. They have different tools that you can use for your face, your arms. If you got them linebacker arms, you can use this machine for your arms. It's really good with skin tightening and reducing extra fat pockets. Like back here, those extra fat pockets, it helps reduce those. I don't know if y'all paid attention to my before and after, but baby, my rolls was like this big. Now, they're like this big. Y'all see me measure, do my waist measurements and the difference, so don't say I ain't never tell y'all nothing and you ain't never learned nothing. So stay tuned, continue to watch. Thank you. All right, Glam Crew, let's get straight into it. This is me a few weeks ago when I first got this 5-in-1 40K Cavitation RF vacuum body sculpting machine. I was so excited to get it and begin using it, and continue watching. You will see me put it together. Now, as you can see, my skin was not as tight and firm as it was in the beginning. This machine is really great with tightening and firming your skin. This machine uses radio frequency waves to heat the skin, and that encourages collagen production. And pretty much collagen is what your body needs, what your skin needs to be tight and firm. And this machine does that. It has many different tools and handles that you can use for different body parts. And as you will see, I'm going to unbox and show you all of them. This is the packaging. It's not clear what's in the box, so it's kind of hidden. Your neighbors and stuff are not going to be knowing what you have going on at your place. So I would call it discreet packaging. You go ahead and take it out right there. It has foam wrapping in it, so your machine is going to be secure. It's not going to be damaged. It's going to come right out and be ready for you to plug in. The directions are right there. You pull out the power cord. It has the mounting brackets, the accessory kits, the gel. You do have to get the gel separately, but they sell everything right there on the website. So, boom. And then you have your power cord. You have the handle that is going to be used for like your face. And then you have your, the handle is like a 6-polar RF handle that you'll use for like your abdomen area. And then there's some other tools that you'll use for like maybe your arms. So some of the tools are the same thing, but they may be bigger or smaller. So if you are working on a larger area of your body, then use the bigger tool. And right here, I'm just going to unwrap everything and plug it in. When you are putting everything into your main machine, just make sure that you are pushing it in. Give it just a little shake up and down and make sure it's pushed in properly. Plug it into the electrical outlet and boom, hit the power button. It's that simple. Very simple. So all of the directions are in the box and it has pictures with it. Some people may need pictures to help them out, or you can just watch this video and see how easy I plugged it in. You can use this machine on many areas of your body, such as the back, your thighs, your abdomen, your neck, your eyes, and it will help present a more sculpted physique. If you want to get rid of dark under eyes and bags, this machine is going to be your best bet. Also, this machine helps promote circulation and your metabolism, and it also helps support your body's natural detoxing process. This machine is small and compact, but it does so much. Now, I personally did not set up the mount and take out all of the handles because it's not necessary for the exact treatment that I'm using it for. But if you want to use it for multiple parts of your body, then it will probably be best to put up the mount and have all of the handles out and ready to use for when you need. I like that I can easily move this machine around and use it wherever I'm comfortable. I like to use it when I'm laying out on the couch, watching TV, listening to my favorite music. I also like to use it in the bathroom right before I get in the shower. It's very lightweight, easy to plug in, and just move around wherever you need it. It's so easy. My child even helped me reach my back when I wasn't able to. So if you have someone, a spouse, a friend, a neighbor that can help you reach areas that you can't quite get yourself, then go ahead and do it. This machine allows you so much freedom compared to going to a spa, spending a lot of money. I love that with this machine, the directions are very clear and they have pictures to go along with the words. Now here is how you use it, the different functions. Everything is clear on the machine and in the manual. It tells you exactly what each function is for, how to achieve the results that you want to achieve them. The numbers are very clear. You're not going to be confused with what is going on. Starting it up and using it is very easy. There is a timer on there and it is suggested that you do 30-minute sessions. You can do longer if you like. There's no pain. There is no downtime. You can use it when needed, as needed, and I don't know how else to put it, but this is just my experience. Here I am laying back, using the machine, watching the news. And as you saw right there, I just lifted up and turned up the frequency on the machine. You can start it low and slowly increase it as you get more comfortable with it. It will heat up a little bit more if you keep it in one spot for longer than necessary. Just make sure you are using it back and forth and constantly moving it around, and also only put the machine where the gel is. Don't use it on dry skin. As you can see, I have my child helping me here reach the middle of my back. Overall, I'm very, very satisfied with this purchase. It's very easy to use, very convenient to have in the house, and it saves me money while achieving the results that I want. Remember, I'm not a medical professional. Please consult your medical professional before starting this treatment, and I thank you for watching. Bye.